Property restoration is about more than repairing buildings. It's about rebuilding communities. By involving local residents and businesses in the planning process, restoration projects can better reflect the community's identity and needs. This collaboration ensures that the results are functional and well-received, creating a shared sense of responsibility and advocacy for the project. When locals are actively involved, restoration projects tend to progress more smoothly. Their insights reveal overlooked issues, fostering respect between planners and the community. This collaboration often leads to quicker approvals and fewer disputes, resulting in stronger support and successful outcomes. Understanding community values allows restoration projects to address more than structural repairs. By prioritizing what matters most, like a community center, projects face fewer delays and gain greater public support, creating lasting and relevant results. Open dialogue with residents leads to smoother execution. Transparency reduces complaints and builds goodwill. Involving locals enhances job site safety and creates job pathways, boosting incomes and skill development. Engaged communities see longer-lasting improvements. When residents contribute, they care for the results, leading to better maintenance and increased civic pride. Stronger social ties can boost property values and lower vacancy rates. Honest, two-way communication builds trust. Meetings with local leaders uncover concerns and build a shared vision. Consistent updates through social media or town halls maintain momentum and foster collaboration.